In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Krita, whether you're fixing a composition, trimming out distractions, or preparing an image for a specific frame. Cropping is one of the quickest ways to improve your visuals. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get it done with confidence. First, go to Krita and make sure your image or project is open on the canvas. If you're starting fresh, open the file you want to edit so you can see it in the main workspace. Give yourself a moment to view the entire image and decide what story you want the crop to tell. Are you focusing on a subject's face, removing empty space, or straightening the overall balance? This quick mental check will make the next step easier. Next, look to the toolbar on the left and click the crop tool. The icon typically looks like two overlapping right angles. Once it's active, you'll see a rectangular frame appear over your canvas with handles along the edges and corners. Drag any corner handle to scale the crop box evenly, or use the side handles for more precise incremental adjustments. You can also drag inside the box to reposition it without changing its size. As you adjust, notice how the overlay helps you line up important elements. Placing a subject near one of the intersections of the grid often creates a more pleasing composition, and leaving a little breathing room around edges prevents accidental cutoffs. Take your time to check the borders of the crop. If there are tiny details near the edges, zoom in to make sure you're not trimming something important. If you're balancing a horizon or a skyline, align it with the horizontal guides in the overlay to keep things clean and intentional. Keep in mind that cropping removes the outer areas of your image and reduces the canvas to the exact frame you've set, so this is a moment to be deliberate. When you're satisfied with the framing, apply the crop to finalize it. The canvas will trim down to your chosen area and you'll immediately see a cleaner, more focused image. That's it. Done. To recap, you opened your image in Krita, selected the crop tool from the left, adjusted the handles to frame your subject exactly how you want, and then applied the crop. With just this, you've tightened your composition and guided attention where it matters most. Use this simple approach whenever you need a quick, effective edit, and you'll see your images look more intentional in no time.